chocolate pudding pots with Noel's man pots on top of Jalen's lady pots that equal Brandy's babies that cookies. After 7,000 generations, the nuns come and eat them and fart all at the same time and cause world domination because Noel is so gassy after eating too many Mexican frozen burritos. And then gob through Noel's digestive system. And then, anyways, she goes to Chase and says hi. Then Chase goes and throws up. Noel wants him to help clean up. So she eats Chase's throw up. And she becomes fat. And can then accomplish the task of rolling into Brandy's house. She's here doing something with Vaughn's brother, Jalen Topnap. The end. Or is it? Brandy has babies, and they look like Jalen. I don't know, I like that creepy laugh, okay? It's scary.